DJT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. In Trump Media Stock, or just Trump Media and Technology Group, whatever the pronunciation, it's such a long name, but yeah, DJT started to pick up, and I'm going to show you my previous kind of link and video that I called out, and since then it's been like a risk-free opportunity, you know, like I've talked about it in this video. Right, so this was made a month ago, 3rd of December, and at that time the price broke structure. And because we were here, I mentioned, right, 2-hour structure, I saw it, I was like, boom, game on for me. And then it started to pick up, came down at the stop loss, you know, hovered around the break-even point, and then started to pick up. At that point, like when we start breaking the highs out even more, break-even was moved. And generally speaking, right now there's 2 outcomes: either hits comes the break even or hits the TP. I'm going to try and look at even more in this opportunity when we start reaching the demand areas, like, because it's a great demand, you know, it's cool for more buys, but as long as the rules are met. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.